have introduced technology as a medium to impart learning, right? And also how students have taken to it, how teachers have taken to it, yes. And also if you have introduced CCE in your school, the Continuous Comprehensive Evaluation System, where you have done away, where the idea is to do away with examination systems and to bring in a continuous evaluation process on the basis of students' performance, etc., etc. Right? So maybe you start with
CC includes the evaluation system.
okay.
Okay. In fact, it means comprehensive and continuous evaluation. So examinations are very much part of that.
I didn't know that.
Yes, examinations are very much part of that. What we have done is, what we have called the summative evaluation is the terminal exam, half term and full term. And what they have done in the formatives is where they are evaluating the children not merely on tests. They are evaluating the children on their understanding of the subject as well, through projects and activities and educational trips, things like that. Character assessment too. And one of the reasons I'm very pleased about it is SQ, or spiritual quotient, is as important as emotional quotient and IQ. So we include all of this, whereas formative actually means formation. So from formation, you go into gauging where the child is to where he has to be, and that's what your evaluation is. And then we strive towards bringing him up towards where he should be. As far as technology is concerned, Arvachan International is a smart school. Yes, we have interactive boards in every class. And we have about 3 servers, one with EduCom, which has been a wonderful experience. The innovation took place actually when I gave control to the teachers as well, not just the EduCom personnel. So there is a hardware available in the classroom which is connected to the server, not just their interactive board. So the teachers can add creative lessons, plus they can access the resource center from the classroom. Every class is connected through internet. We have also what we call the Promethean Lab from Almo, which connects the teachers to the international counterparts. So we have all the creative lesson plans from all over the world being made available to our teachers as a resource bank. Plus, I have my own e-library server where I have gone around like a little squirrel getting whatever I can in terms of e-learning and putting it into the library. And we have in the cabling and interwebbing of this computerized system right through the whole school, including the staff rooms. So we also have it connected to homes, so the children can access the system, certain modules of the system, not the whole system, including your Gurukul. So I was very excited about this morning because I'm always looking like the Hey Maths girl, looking for more material for my children, always looking. And I'm excited about Hey Maths because though I have the system available to the children in the maths laboratory and the science laboratories, I would love the maths laboratory to be connected to Hey Maths. So like her, I'm taking the best of what is available, combining it and bringing it into the school. So it's exciting. It's been very, very productive because you can't compete with multimedia and concepts made real through clips that are educational. The spoken word is limited, whereas the visual impact and the ability to access through self-work and self-study for the seniors especially is fantastic. They know the whole world is there at the click of a mouse, and they're not bereft of any sort of information, though we have a resource center, traditional resource center, library. I think this is the way the world is going, and I've always believed in facilitating and making sure that the teachers and the children copy that. The teachers are facilitators for the children, seniors are facilitators for the juniors, and it goes right down. And we have what is called the school department. We don't have pre-primary, prep, and senior secondary. We have a link right from UKG right up to the top, so that gaps can be plugged. It's like you have comprehensive continuous education. The teachers have to understand whether what they're doing is relevant for the next class too. So the school department system is very important for this, for feedback. They have a meeting once a month. And much work is uploaded and downloaded. And we have a number of modules, educational modules, e-modules, as a resource bank. And yes, the children are blossoming. They are.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
It was a pleasure.